A protest is planned across France, Germany, and Luxembourg against the reintroduction of internal border checks imposed by Germany and France. In this video, we will talk about the march against renewed Schengen border controls.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
A Europe-wide protest, led by the political party Volt Europa, is set to take place on November 2nd, challenging France and Germany's decision to reintroduce border controls, which the party claims undermines European unity and freedom of movement. Participants from across Europe will gather at 1300 hours at the Les Petits Poussets childcare center in Approche, France, located near the Luxembourg border. After the opening rally, protesters will cross from France into the German municipality of Perl for additional speeches before heading to Schengen Village in Luxembourg, home to the monument commemorating the historic Schengen Agreement, which symbolizes open borders within the EU. Citing terrorism and irregular migration concerns, Germany and France have both informed the European Commission of their decision to extend internal border checks. Germany implemented its internal border checks on September 16, 2024, set to last until March 15, 2025. France followed, announcing extended checks at its borders with Luxembourg, Belgium, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, and Spain from November 1, 2024, through April 30, 2025. Volt Europa has called the reintroduction of border checks a setback for European integration, and the party's General Secretary, Daniel Silva, argues that these measures do little to improve security. Silva points out that German police unions themselves have voiced concerns that border checks add strain on law enforcement staff, without effectively addressing security challenges. While both France and Germany insist that the impact on travel, commuter traffic, and trade will be minimal, cross-border workers and local residents in Luxembourg are already reporting significant delays. In France, experts warn that extended border checks may lead to long queues, affecting Luxembourg, Belgium, Germany, Spain, Switzerland, and Italy. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration-and-migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.